So here's another video on the 318 swap and the 51 Plymouth. Got a couple things done. Went ahead and put some spark plug wire insulators on there. Not necessarily for that side, but because of this side over here. I used a 64 through 66 Barracuda Valiant Dart with power steering exhaust manifold. I got it up out of the way and got it away from the steering box so I could use the stock steering box, although I did modify the column, moved it over, actually just straightened it out so it looks straight in there instead of being in an angle. Went ahead and mounted or installed the fuel lines and a fuel filter. Now this filter is off of like a 70s Jeep with a V8. It has a return line. So this helps out with vapor lock in situations, hard starts, things like that. So what I did with the return line, I just welded a bung into the filler neck on the gas tank. So that should work just fine. Also went ahead and mounted the air dam at the top of the radiator here. I just used some pushed in interior plugs, I guess I would say, off of modern cars where you just push through the holes. That worked pretty well. Still haven't done any wiring yet. Another thing we did is went ahead and covered the floor with some KIL-MAT. I went ahead and did the 50 mil. Hopefully that makes a difference. You know, makes it a little bit lower tone. Hopefully that'll help cut down the sound and a little bit of heat also. I've ordered some gauges, so the next video will probably be doing the wiring, and we'll be going from there. Hopefully get this thing started pretty soon. I'm still thinking about what to do for the gas tank filler neck. Cap, basically. I was thinking about maybe putting a Jaguar pop-up door or something similar to it, since I do have some damage to the paint there anyway. I need to do some body work, so maybe do something a little bit of custom with that. So yeah, this is a 51 Plymouth. Still getting things done. Got a few things crossed off. Go ahead and like if you like the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.